We're here to actually go look at a car collection. That car collection is the Brothers collection, which is like 500 or 600 cars, all pretty rare and high dollar stuff. So I'm pretty stoked to check out some cars today. We're in the building. It's already wild. I'll show you behind me. So you can see there's like signs and stuff everywhere. 3 GT40s. Oh, 4 GT40s. This place is so wild. I'm only, literally the front door is right there. I just walked in and it's already the craziest collection I've ever seen. That's like some thing that Tonka made or something. My dad has the Tonka toy he brought to give to him. Look at this. This is just one part of one building. So like it goes quite a ways that way, I think, and quite a ways that way. Brand new Ford GT, 05 in red, 06, a blue one.
I just got home and I edited this video on the plane, and what I noticed is that there's so much. Video was just too long, so I'm breaking it up into series, but I didn't have an introduction or an explanation of what I was doing. So this is the first video, which is pretty much just the exotics, and the next video is gonna be muscle cars. I don't know if it'll be multiple videos or just all the muscle cars. Like I've got a ton of like the Mopars and stuff too. So if you're into exotics, that's this video. If you're into muscle cars, that's the next video, and watch them all and subscribe, and thanks.
Two McLarens. Some of these cars have license plates on them, I guess implying that they drive them relatively regular. That's like a newer Lamborghini, so I guess that makes sense, but never seen a Maserati boat before. This row of Porsches, a 959, row of GT3s. Wow. This is only the second I've ever seen in real life. The other one was Ken Lingenfelter's. Look at this row. So the wild thing about their collection is that it's not an exotic car collection. I mean, like, they have a lot of exotic cars, but they have so many muscle cars, like Hemi Cuda right there. But here are some Ferraris. There's a Veyron and a Chiron over there, and some Celines. Holy, this is crazy. Ferrari boat. An Enzo with 212 miles. F50 and F40. My dad said he thinks that they have a Ferrari FXX here, but I don't see it. So maybe it's in a different building or something, but I can't get over this lineup. F40, F50, Enzo. What? I'm not gonna do this in any sort of order. I'm just gonna wander around and show you all the cool stuff. So if this is a boring video to you, sorry. It's pretty, holy. So I just walked from the Ferrari room. I wanna show you exactly what I saw as I came in. I mean, like, this is something. Chiron, Veyron, Celine S7, no, that's a Maserati. Oh, here's the FXX Ferrari. 83 original miles. It's kind of a bummer. If I owned this thing, I'd take it out and drive it. So I've never seen a Chiron? I've never seen one in person. Carbon fiber, the whole front piece. Oh, the whole body is carbon fiber. It's just raw carbon fiber. I'd probably say it 1,000 times. This is just absolutely insane. Here's the other Ford GT that they have. It's a Heritage Edition. So the other one is a lightweight and this is a Heritage, but just absolutely wild that they have two of them. This one is my favorite, GT carbon wheels. We're going to the second building to see the cars that they like drive and work on and stuff. I want one of these things so bad. I feel like it'd be the ultimate utility vehicle for us.
Color.
Isn't that color beautiful?
Wow.
What a car.
And whenever I'm feeling blue, I jump in that thing and go tear around. I'm immediately cheered up. Well, you know, one of the things I like about this car, it's not that it's blazingly fast. A low-skill person like me can drive fast in it. It's not a treacherous car. You know what I mean? It doesn't do weird
beat
things
you up,
on you. Later on, we'll go for a blast.
Hell yeah.
And then
Rolls-Royce, Ferrari. So I guess this used to be Bill Cosby's Ferrari, and he said he bought it when Bill Cosby was not a creepy dude. So Doug is like the car handler or whatever, and this is the list of things that he wants to get done on cars so that their like brakes are soft. So like they actually drive these cars. I've been standing in this building over here, looking at the cool stuff in here, and I'm like, nice. Well, they just walked through this door, and I was like, oh, I thought this was it. Look at this.
Recognize the javelin?
Oh yeah. Jeez Louise. Carrera GT right there. Vin Diesel's RX-7 from Fast and Furious.
this has some auxiliary right. Who's that? I've never seen one of them.
What the heck is this thing? Resvani? This is the second Carrera GT I've seen here. Panamera Turbo. This is Shelby. That's the color I want the brakes on my car. I knew I've seen it somewhere. Oh, here's an R8. Gino was like, find an R8. So found one. There's a Viper right here. Hellcat. Is this like the real one from the movie?
Yeah, it is an extra. I think they bought that. The real one.
So evidently this is built on like a Jeep, but it's got like bulletproof glass. It's called the Resvani tank. Oh. This thing is nuts.
This thing is like a dog.
It's a real Vin Diesel movie car. This is a Fast and Furious movie car too, according to this thing.
It is.
Oh, yeah.
Fast 5. I'm ashamed to say I haven't seen all of the Fast and Furious movies. So I guess that these are John Wayne's original vehicles. He had the roof raised on this wagon so that he could wear a cowboy hat while he was driving it. Like, look at this. Oh yeah, it says right there, John Wayne.
Years.
You had the Cherokee there. That was fun.
I saw that over there. Ironically, we had that for the CRX.
Yeah?
A little bit different echelon of vehicle. Oh man, this thing fits me perfectly. I don't even have to adjust the seat. It's like diamond tufted.
Oh, yeah.
Everything is carbon fiber in here too. So nuts. It's like one of my favorite cars ever. Walking around here, I didn't even notice. I walked right past this Rolls Royce. There's so many cool things that's like you walk right past one cool thing because you see another 10 cool things. Like, it's nuts. The wide body is so cool.
Yeah.
License plate on this one. Oh, temp tag on that one too. So we're back in this building now. I'm just gonna take like more videos of a lot of these cars because they're so freaking cool, and I don't remember what I've already seen and what I haven't seen. So I'm just gonna take a bunch of videos. It's like Rob Dom's Diablo. The Rambo Lambo. Oh, it says it on the sign too.
The story about how those came to be.
Facebook was like, you shouldn't stick your arm in that thing. So I feel like, given that I got my arm stuck in the Rapid Transit Duster's gas filler thing trying to open the trunk, I can't resist this. Oh, it's... can't even get it that far in. Yeah, there's like a thing. Oh, I did get my hand dirty though. Official 959 dirt.